Hi, let me show you two devices of the German company Proxxon, which has been producing for many years high-quality precision tools for optics, mechanics or watchmakers, but also for modelers. The set that I have consists of a Proxxon Micromot 230E drilling and milling machine and a Proxxon Micromot MB 200 drill stand. This set gives us many possibilities from natural work to more precise using the stabilization provided by the stand. The variety of accessories that can be used here makes this device useful not only for typical precision modeling work, but also as a very versatile tool for everyday work. Let's start with the Micromot 230E. Perfectly suited for precise milling, grinding, polishing, brushing, rust removal, engraving, chasing and cutting. It can be easily used to machining metals and non-ferrous metals, glass, wood, minerals, ceramics, stone or plastics. A big advantage of this device is its engine. Carefully balanced for extremely quiet operation, provides sufficient torque and, together with the sensitive electronics regulation, the speed suitable for work. Another plus of this particular model is having 6 collets with diameters from 1 mm to 3.2 mm. These elements are made of high-quality steel, enabling centric clamping of even smaller shafts, which ensures a very accurate rotational movements. Micromot 230E has smooth rotation speed regulation from 6,000 per minute to 22,000 per minute. The device has practically the same torque in the lower speed range. This is especially important for precise drilling, cleaning or polishing. It works smoothly on all settings without any beat. Working culture is at the highest level here. It's very solid made. It has a very slim casing made of glass fiber reinforced polyamide with soft inserts with the handle. It weighs about 270 grams and is very handy. You can use it holding like a pen, which allows very precise operation. At the beginning, I suggest you also to buy a modeling set consisting of 13 elements. The set includes 2 micro drills, one with diameter of 1 mm and the other with 2.3 mm, a 2.3 mm ball-shaped fine milling bit, and cylinder-shaped with the same diameter. Corundum grinding bits, one ball-shaped and the other cone-shaped. 5 cutting discs with a diameter of 22 mm, one saw blade of the same diameter, and an arbor with a diameter of 2.35 mm for mounting discs. All these elements are suitable for use with plastics, wood or even soft metals. Corundum is a crystalline form of aluminum oxide. Pure corundum is defined to have 9 on the Mohs scale. It can be scratched only with diamond. Corundum bits are used for grinding and carving hard materials such as cast iron, cast steel, millable cast iron, hard metal alloys and steel. The mounting is very simple. Just loosen the sleeve nut while pressing the lock button. Insert an operational tool in the collet hole and tighten the sleeve nut, also pressing the lock button. Let's check the noise level. In complete silence, the application shows about 27 decibels. I'm turning on the device. At slow speed we have 54 decibels, so it's not that bad. Increasing rotation speed to the highest 22,000 per minute, we get about 70 decibels. Drill stand Micromot MB 200. After unboxing, you just have to mount the column into the hole in the table and clap with the threaded rod. Screw on drilling lever and the device is ready to use. The stand is the perfect complement to Micromot 230E. The 20mm holding fixture perfectly matches the Micromot series. It has a solid, hard, chromium-plated steel column, ensuring throat up to 140mm. Loosening two screws with a larger Allen key, we can easily change the position up to 19 degrees, which allows drilling at any angle or using the tool as a stationary grinder. On the left, the device has a depth limit stop with a maximum stroke of 40mm. For accurate milling work, you can clamp the head in the center of the guide with clamping screw. To adjust the guides, use two adjusting screws. According to the manufacturer motto, they should be adjusted as tightly as necessary, but as free-moving as possible. In my case, the device didn't require adjustment at all. The guide runs smoothly without any looseness, giving a slight resistance. The table's dimensions are 22 per 12 cm. It has parallel guides and a scale. It also has additional cuts for mounting other Micromot attachments. The stand weighs about 2.2 kg. It can be mounted permanently to the workbench without any problems. I've recently completed this set with a MS4 machine vise that fits perfectly with the guide. Vise jaw width up to 5 cm, height 1 cm, maximum clamping width 34mm. At the beginning, such a set will work great, and with the rich Proxxon assortment gives you great possibilities. Working with this device is extremely pleasant. Milling, drilling or cutting doesn't cause any problems. Having the right cutters and grinding stones, or even using those from the set, you can also easily work with metals. To sum up, I haven't noticed too many disadvantages so far. One, very small, is setting of the depth limit stop. On my drill stand it works quite hard. I don't know if it's only in my device or maybe greasing a little bit would help. In any case, this is a small disadvantage. I can say that it doesn't affect the comfort of work at all. Let's move on to the costs. The 13-piece set for model makers costs around $25, machine-wise around $30. The most expensive purchase is the drill stand, you have to spend about $180, and the Micromot 230E itself costs about $175. So for the whole set, including shipping, we will pay about $420. This is obviously not a small amount. In order to cut costs, I would decide to buy only the drilling and milling machine first. Proxxon also offers cheaper models, for example the Micromot 50 model, which costs about $70. I personally wanted above all the greater power of the device because I plan to use it also for other more demanding jobs. Rated power of 230E model is 80 watt and of model Micromot 50, 40 watt. In addition, in the set we immediately have additional collets so we can use various types of accessories. Proxxon also has this type of devices in a wireless version, which can be a big advantage. Why do I praise this company so much? In my opinion, the tools they have are really high level. It's really German quality and precision, so I strongly recommend and urge you to look up their offer if you're thinking about buying this type of power tool. You certainly won't be disappointed. In popular discount stores there are such devices for about $40, but I think that it is worth paying extra money for the quality offered by Proxxon. Spending about $100 for a Micromot 50 version and basic accessories, you'll have a device that will definitely be very useful and will work smoothly for many years. Of course, everyone makes their own decisions considering their needs and budget. However, I hope that this video will help you making such decision if you're looking for this type of tool. Best wishes and see you next time. Bye.